Hello, I'm Jim from Area Ordnance Depot, and I'm going to go over the SKS cleaning kit and disassembly operations. First, what we want to do is we want to keep it pointed in a safe direction. Open a magazine, and check the action, make certain that it's empty. And it is. We will flip the safety to the safe position. And we will take the disassembly lever, put it upward. The top cover will pop back a little bit. With the muzzle pointed kind of down, roll the bolt assembly out, flip her over. With the safety in the safe position, we can now hit the takedown latch, remove the trigger group, remove the magazine assembly, and once we open the bayonet up a little bit, we can now remove the stock assembly. Now that we've got that apart, we can take the pick from our cleaning kit, stick it in a little hole here, and rotate, removing the gas piston assembly. Gas tube and gas piston. Now be careful, you go too far with this thing and you're going to shoot this secondary piston out and now your wall or a loved one. So you want to be real careful where this is pointed when you do this, because this thing's under quite a bit of pressure. There should be a triple wound spring and a shorter piston in there. Once that's out, on this model you can remove the gas cutoff valve that they use for cycling rifle grenades in their system. So now we have this disassembled and we want to clean it. So we take our cleaning kit. Normally, if we were using any other SKS that doesn't have the grenade launching spigot, this would adapt to it as a muzzle guide to keep us from banging the bore with the cleaning rod. However, and it would just simply twist around the front sight like so on the barrel, but since they have the grenade launching spigot here, it's near impossible for us to do that. So what we'll do is take our cleaning rod and stick the threaded end in the large holes, running through into the small hole, and this will allow us to put our brush on and have a pivot feature to the handle when we brush it down the bore. The other accessory here is a cleaning jag. Now it has its own pivot, so you can use the housing as a tool threaded onto the cleaning rod. Well, now you can stick the cleaning rod in the handle and use the pick as a cross pin to lock it all together, and you have sort of a T-handle situation. And then you use that for a cleaning rod. You can also use this as a gas piston cleaning pick. You can clean out your grooves in your gas piston. The housing works good as a carbon scraper there. Well, let's put everything back together now, and we're going to do this double quick. Put our piston in, lock it down part way. We're going to set our gas valve, spring, be careful not to lose that guy, and the button. Set it in, lock it back. Our gas piston. Down. Stock assembly, magazine, and our trigger group. Now I'm going to keep it pointed somewhat downward. Our bolt has a little hook area on the back, and the carrier has some hook area. We'll keep it pointed downward. Engage its slots. Okay. Just push everything forward, keeping the disassembly lever up and at about 90 degrees, and the spring back a little bit. Slide it all into position, lock it down, close the magazine, and well, we probably have to take that off to install the cleaning rod, don't we? Put the cleaning rod back. And all the contents back in the case. I prefer to install the cap first. They'll come out easier. Well, I hope that this has been helpful, and have a great day.